Bitcoin struggles to reach above the 20,000 US dollar mark, while Ethereum and Ethereum Classic note some major price gains ahead of the ETH merge. Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about cryptocurrencies, the space of Web 3.0 and blockchain technology. Before we dive into the top news coming from the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3 market, let's take a quick look at how some of the top cryptocurrency assets performed at the time of recording. Bitcoin was still struggling to keep above the 20,000 US dollar mark, while the coin made slight gains in terms of price and was up by 1.27% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's price was still down by 2.25% on the weekly. That said, Bitcoin is still struggling with the 20,000 US dollar mark, and we can see that Bitcoin is still under that mark, and it's oscillating around the 19,950 mark, which has acted as a crucial support resistance mark over the last few months. However, the star of the show, Ethereum, which is the top altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, has noted a massive 7% price increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum's price rallied by close to 5% over the last week, and it's now right above the 1,600 US dollar mark. This is all happening in the anticipation of the merge. This recent uptick in price was also because of Ethereum's recent upgrade, which is the Bellatrix upgrade, which thereby pushed Ethereum and its price amid retail euphoria. Looking at the top altcoins, we can see BNB, Cardano, XRP, Solana, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Polygon were all noting gains on their 24-hour price window. That said, BNB was still down by 2% on the weekly chart despite the daily gains that BNB has shown. However, ahead of ecosystem-centric upgrades, Cardano is doing pretty well. We see that Cardano has rallied by 9% on the weekly chart. Its price is up by a mere 3% on the daily. However, looking at the weekly stats combined with the daily stats, we do see that Cardano is noting some positive changes or bullish action in its price trajectory. Solana more or less is the same on the weekly chart. However, on the daily chart, we have seen Solana's price rise by close to 7%, which is again a good sign for Solana holders. As the larger market turns bullish, there are certain coins that have noted a massive uptick in price, and Ethereum Classic has really surprised the market with its 27% price gain on the daily chart. Ethereum Classic is also up by a massive 20% on the weekly chart. Second to Ethereum Classic in terms of gains is Terra Classic USD, which is USDC is Terra's stablecoin, and it is still struggling to perform well in the market. It is hardly pegged to the value of USD anymore. We can see that one USDC is around 0.04, which is quite lower than $1, which is expected of the coin. That said, Bitcoin Gold, Lido DAO's LDO token, and Avalanche are some of the other tokens that have rallied pretty impressively in the last 24 hours. Avalanche is up by a massive 9% on the daily, while Lido DAO's LDO token is up by 14% on the daily chart. DeFi tokens are rallying once again. We can see Avalanche, CurveDAO, Near Protocol, EOS. These are all DeFi tokens, and with this we can also expect a rise in the DeFi token market cap as well as the decentralized finance space. Whether, however, this recent uptick in price as well as usability is sustainable and will go on for a long time is something that quite a few analysts in the space are doubting. In fact, despite the recent gains shown by Ethereum Classic, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, is still skeptical of ETC's market value. In a recent tweet, Hoskinson said that he loves how a sustainable development fund turns into a minor tax. He also said that ETC still gives him sadness for what the project could have been. But the most shocking part was that Hoskinson called ETC a dead project. Whether ETC is dead or is a dead project or not, let us know in the comment section below. Another important news from the cryptocurrency market is about Netflix and its crypto ads. So apparently Netflix with ads is coming by the end of this year, before the end of this year in fact. However, while a lot of news media organizations have reported that Netflix will start running its ads and it won't be this less priced anymore, Netflix wouldn't be allowed to run cryptocurrency ads. To know more about it, head over to Voice of Crypto and read more about Netflix running ads and not running cryptocurrency ads. With just 7 days for the merge, Ethereum network seems to be blooming. In fact, Bitcoin's dominance reached the lowest in quite a long time, and this is a time for Ethereum to outshine. But will Ethereum outshine Bitcoin as well? Well, this is something that still remains a major question, the Ethereum versus Bitcoin debate in the cryptocurrency market. However, the Ethereum miner revenue or the monthly Ethereum miner revenue has overtaken that of Bitcoin, which means that Ethereum miners have been in more profit than Bitcoin miners. This is quite a massive, so to say, development taking place in the Ethereum ecosystem for now. Last but not the least, a news coming up from Australia where the assistant treasurer of the nation has said that is not taxed as a foreign currency. Cryptocurrencies will continue to be excluded from foreign currency tax arrangements under the Albanese government. This is another update, which is an interesting piece of news for the Australian crypto markets and cryptocurrency holders in that geography. Before we wrap up today's episode, we will take a quick look at the star of the show for quite a long time, which is Ethereum. We have spoken about Ethereum and its price action quite a lot in the last few daily news wraps, and this is largely due to the anticipation around the Ethereum merge. We will continue to update our viewers about what is happening with Ethereum and in the ecosystem. But until then, let us take a quick look at its price chart. Ethereum's daily price chart highlights that there were 2 days of bearishness for Ethereum on September 3rd and 4th. However, 5th September onwards, Ethereum has picked up pace. Ethereum's price is finally above the $1,500 mark, which has acted as a crucial support resistance mark for Ethereum since July. In fact, for the most part of July, August, and now September, the $1,500 mark has acted as a crucial support resistance mark. Once Ethereum has placed itself carefully above this mark, we can expect more bullish price action. But for now, as we can see, retail euphoria is sort of weakening. People are still a little skeptical about Ethereum and its price action, whether they should enter the market right now or will there be another pullback ahead of the merge. Quite a few analysts like Jason Pizzino have been saying that the merge can bring a short-term price pullback, which can act as a good buy the dip opportunity for Ethereum. However, for now, Ethereum's price has established above the $1,600 mark. In fact, Ethereum was trading at $1,680 mark, which is the highest Ethereum's price has seen since August 25th, which is over 10 days. So in the last 10 days, Ethereum hasn't been able to achieve this $1,600 mark. And then now that Ethereum is finally above it, will it stay above that mark, as there are only 7 days ahead of the merge, which means 1 week. We will keep a close eye on Ethereum, its price action, and the ecosystem-centric updates around the top altcoin and the top altcoin DeFi ecosystem in the cryptocurrency market. But until then, for more such updates from the cryptocurrency, Web 3.0 and blockchain space, do subscribe to Voice of Crypto's YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video if you love our content. I'll see you tomorrow with more such stuff. Until then, ciao.